Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are proud to showcase one of the most respected and heavily sought-after luxury diesel pushers on the market. This is the 2016 Newmar Dutch Star 4369. For the veteran RVer, the Dutch Star represents the absolute pinnacle of build quality, structural engineering, and upscale residential design. This coach has 73,000 miles on the clock, measures 43 feet in length, and features 3 massive slide-outs that expand beautifully to create a sprawling interior footprint once you arrive at your destination. Take a look at this exterior presence. This coach is optioned with Newmar's gorgeous Maritime full-body paint graphic scheme. The deep blues, silvers, and metallic charcoals create a stunning, timeless look that commands respect at any luxury RV resort. Because it features Newmar's world-renowned multi-stage paint and clear coat process, it holds a deep, glass-like automotive shine that vinyl decals simply can't touch. For outdoor living, you have a complete premium awning package, including a power patio awning, power door awning, full window awning suite, and protective slide toppers over all 3 slides. This ensures your campsite is always a comfortable, shaded oasis. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the sleek frameless windows. From the integrated side view cameras to the massive front windshield, every line reflects the premium craftsmanship that Newmar is famous for. We are going to wrap up the exterior walk so you can see the gorgeous rear cap before we open up the basement compartments to inspect the heavy-duty mechanical systems. Let's move down to the basement, because underneath this coach is where Newmar's legendary engineering really shines. We are riding on the heavy-duty Freightliner XCR chassis, featuring a passive steer tag axle. That tag axle gives you unparalleled stability on the highway, while the passive steering setup drastically tightens your turning radius, making a 43-foot coach feel like a much shorter rig when backing into tight spots. Of course, it also includes Newmar's famous Comfort Steer system, which automatically counteracts crosswinds to minimize driver fatigue. With full air brakes and full air ride suspension, this coach delivers a ride that is smooth as silk. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL diesel engine, producing a massive 450 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the ultra-reliable Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission. Opening up the storage bays, you'll find full pass-through basement storage compartments with heavy-duty pull-out storage trays included, allowing you to access your gear from either side effortlessly. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, perfect for enjoying the outdoors without missing the game. For your utility systems, we have the premium Oasis hydronic heating system, providing unlimited hot water and quiet, radiant furnace heat throughout the cabin. For power, we have a massive Onan 10-kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 425 hours of use. You've also got 50-amp service on a power reel, a Magnum inverter charger, 3 roof ACs, and a heavy-duty 15,000-pound trailer hitch. Let's head inside and check out the cabin. Step up into the Dutch Star, and the interior craftsmanship is absolutely breathtaking. The 4369 floor plan is widely considered a masterpiece of design, utilizing its 3 enormous slides to create a completely open residential environment. You'll notice the premium woodwork, the detailed crown molding, and the exceptional quality of the flooring immediately. Newmar builds their coaches to a standard that feels less like an RV and more like a custom brick-and-mortar luxury home. This layout offers a seamless flow from the living salon straight back into the private master suite. It is bright, airy, and incredibly welcoming. Watch this. With the push of a button, your hidden 50-inch TV smoothly rises out of the cabinetry on its premium power televator lift. In the heart of the kitchen area, we have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, ensuring you can stock up for any long-distance trip. Right adjacent is your elegant table dinette. Complete with 2 comfortable chairs and a large panoramic window, it provides a scenic residential space for meals, morning coffee, or catching up on work. The front living room is designed for grand-scale relaxation. We have plush dual recliners on one side and a large pull-out sleeper sofa on the other. This sofa easily converts into a comfortable bed, allowing this coach to sleep up to 4 people. This area is perfectly situated to enjoy that massive 50-inch televator TV. Looking forward into the cockpit, you've also got an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the seats, so no one misses the action while the coach is in social mode. The captain's chairs swivel around completely to join the lounge, creating a spectacular grand salon. The kitchen is an absolute chef's dream on the road. You have a flush-mounted induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, and a large residential sink and faucet. And look right here. It comes with the dishwasher option tucked seamlessly into the cabinetry. Cleanup is completely effortless. Surrounded by beautiful solid surface countertops and premium tile accents, this kitchen offers an incredible amount of cabinet and drawer storage. Tucked just past the kitchen is the private half bathroom. This is a massive convenience feature for your guests, giving them full access to a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan while keeping your rear master suite entirely private. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 4369 features a massive king-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing the absolute peak of sleeping comfort on the road. This room is a peaceful sanctuary packed with premium features. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here, a residential ceiling fan overhead to keep the breeze moving beautifully, and a massive bank of deep drawers for all your travel attire and gear. Because this room is separated from the active living area by a solid door, it serves as a quiet, comfortable space that ensures you get a peaceful night's rest before the next day's drive. The detailed woodwork and accent lighting back here really showcase the legendary Dutch Star quality. For the long-term traveler, this coach comes fully equipped with a stackable washer and dryer system. Having separate residential-sized machines instead of a combo unit is a huge luxury, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you're out enjoying your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient. Prepare to be blown away by this spectacular master bathroom at the very rear of the coach. This is a full-width master bath that offers a jaw-dropping amount of residential space. Look at this setup. You have a gorgeous double sink and vanity. This provides an incredible amount of extra counter space and storage for your toiletries, making it effortless for 2 people to get ready at the same time. For your wardrobe, you have a massive closet that spans the back wall, giving you tons of hanging space and shelf storage for all seasons. You also have a private toilet and a power vent fan. The true centerpiece of this master bath is the huge tile shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a skylight that adds a beautiful amount of natural light and extra headroom. Every fixture in here reflects Newmar's flagship construction. It is a bright, clean, and incredibly private space. As we move out of the master suite and walk back through the coach, you can really appreciate the flow of this layout. From the master bath down the hallway and into the massive living room, every transition is wide, open, and inviting, highlighting the exceptional space management. This 2016 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a phenomenal find. To recap, you are looking at a tag axle masterpiece with 73,000 miles, a 450 horsepower Cummins engine, the comfort steer system, passive steering, 1.5 baths, a king bed, a dishwasher, an Oasis system, and that stunning Maritime full body paint. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!